Well, good morning and TGIF, all you amazing people of the internet and YouTubers. It is Friday, thank goodness. Do we really live the week just for the weekend? Seems that way. But you know what? When you're doing what you really love, work isn't so much like work. I mean, yeah, it's work, but you enjoy it more. And for those of us who are wanting to get into content creation, you can use content creation to hopefully create your own work life. Maybe you only want to work 2 or 3 days a week. Well, stick around on this channel and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks and ideas and things you can do to help grow that YouTube channel or get it started if you haven't started it yet. So today I just want to encourage you to get out, hit that record button, and just go enjoy yourself, really. Just have fun, you know. You don't have to stress over details and, you know, all the little mundane things that go along with it. I think obviously you want to make sure your processes are good because you do want to put out quality content, and just make sure you have some kind of direction with your content, and I think you'd be good. I got some cool stuff happening today that hopefully I can share with you next week. I've got a couple of meetings that some pretty cool stuff. I think so, at least. And some of it has derived from me doing content. So you never know what kind of opportunities or, you know, things that you're going to be able to do or accomplish once you start creating your content. You know, if the right people watch it. But I just want to encourage you that even when things get difficult, you just got to keep on pushing through. I was actually kind of a little frustrated a couple days ago with this channel, actually, and thinking like, man, I just, you know, I don't know. Is it really worth the time? Is it really worth the effort, along with all the other stuff I'm doing? And then all of a sudden I got 2 or 3 more subscribers. I had a couple of people make some comments about how, you know, it was encouraging. So again, you just don't know whose lives you're touching. You know, you just don't know really what kind of difference your content is making. And my whole goal with this channel is to encourage and support those that are wanting to start utilizing YouTube as a means of generating income. And especially in that, you know, GenX age bracket, if I can talk this morning. I haven't had my coffee yet. Because that seems to be a very underserved group, and there seems to be a lot of people who want to get into content creation, but they're just scared. They don't understand maybe the technology that goes along with it, or the process, or they're just nervous about being on camera. I get it. So, you know, my whole goal is to offer encouragement, support, and help. I have that PDF that I would encourage you to go download. It is a real quick, simple guide as to, you know, how to find right niche, and it gives you the top 5 niches that are currently trending right now on YouTube. And there's nothing that's like so specific that you probably couldn't use one of those niches to put your content into, meaning your content's going to fall into one of those categories. So I would encourage you, go sign up. All I ask is your email address, because it'll automatically prompt and send the PDF as soon as you sign up. And I don't send out spam. I will be creating some additional PDFs on some helpful information and tips and whatnot. So, you know, once you sign up, you'll automatically be on that list to receive those. They're free. Just go download it, check it out. And if you have any questions or comments or ideas, you know, hit me up. Let me know in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to, you know, get back and help you out. But, you know, this whole journey has been kind of a crazy one. You know, it's up and down. And I have people that I talk to personally all the time that they don't really understand it, but that's okay. And then there's other people that are wanting to get into it, that have started, and they're like, yeah, you know, the one video does this and the next video does that, and it's like, yeah, the YouTube algorithm can sometimes be all over the place, it seems to me. But if you're getting the correct information into YouTube, it's going to be promoting your video properly. And I just want to say real quick that there is an amazing looking Trans Am right here that I really like. I'm a car guy, so, you know, it's kind of like, ooh, a shiny thing. Distracts my attention. Anyways, yeah, so go download the PDF. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or ideas. And you know what? It's going to be a great Friday, even though it's cloudy. It's supposed to rain later. That's okay. That does not dampen my mood. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the engagement. Grab the camera, hit record, and crush it. And we will see you Monday. Have a great weekend.